Hello, Chef here. Just finishing up a pasta with a little bit of wild mushrooms. I thought I would show you what I'm up to here. So I've got a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in this pan. Garlic, of course. Gotta have garlic. I got these really cool knob onions that I sliced up. Looking really, really good. They got a lot of flavor, different than a regular green onion. You can watch some of the other videos on these onions and pick up some tips. We got a bunch of different things going on all the time, so subscribe to the channel. You're gonna learn something new. Okay, we're gonna let these onions cook, let them caramelize. All right. I like to put a few shallots in something like this here. There we go, just a couple of shallots. Yeah. Gotta have some sea salt. A little bit of black pepper. I think just a hint more oil would be good. Okay. A couple of olives. Oh, I got some leftover steak. I'll put some of this steak in there too. Oh yeah, that's looking really, really good. Okay. Add a little bit of this pasta and some wild mushrooms. More salt. Oregano. Parsley. I'm also going to deglaze with a touch of water. The finished pasta. We've got the fusilli, steak, wild mushrooms, knob onions, some calamatas in there. Okay, I'm going to finish this with a little Parmigiano Reggiano. Just like this. Yeah, please leave a comment. Tell us what you think of this. If you like it, you're gonna share it, you're gonna try it, tell your family, tell your friends, get cooking. A little bit of parsley on there. Yes, we've completed another presentation. Have a beautiful day. Keep cooking. Oh, that's gonna be good. The cut glove. Stainless steel, small little circles, hand finished, hand welded, made in the USA. Adjustable snap. Can tighten this up if you want to around your wrist. Each one does have a serial number as well. It's made to last forever. So when you're cutting a fish,